everyone, it's me, Molly!
Molly of Denali.
Let's go!
She's Molly of Denali.
By plane, a sled, or snowshoe, she is ready to explore. From Captola down to Juneau, always wanting to learn more.
Yeah!
Together with her best friend, Tuli, always by her side.
And Trini!
Discovering the outdoors on adventures day and night.
Come along with Molly.
Molly,
Through fields of fire we come along with Molly.
Molly, from tundra to the sea.
Must see Joe! Let's go!
Molly of Denali. She's Molly of Denali.
Come on, let's go!
Molly of Denali. She's Molly of Denali.
A splash of mink. Watch my feet. See? I think I've got it. You definitely got it. It's like you've been jigging forever. I am so ready for my first jigging dance. Let's go. Whoa! Suki, careful. She must have found something. What's in there, girl? Whoa! Aww. So cute! Ew! What's that smell? I don't know, but it's nasty. Let's get out of here. Wait, should we go back for Suki? Don't worry, she always comes home by dinner time. Come on! Yuck! I still smell it. Me too.
Hey, Molly. Hey, Trini. Whoa.
Hi! You're playing at the dance, right, Oscar? It's my first jig.
Yep, I'm playing the fiddle, so I gotta go. That way. Bye.
Wow. He was in a hurry. Yeah. Come on. Let's get away from the smell. Hi, Mr. Ritook.
Hi, girls. Smells like you got sprayed by a mink.
What's a mink?
Iteriakpak, a little furry guy that sprays a bad odor on you if you scare it.
That cute little weaselly thing? Wait, you mean this awful smell is on us?
Afraid so. I got sprayed once as a kid. It's very hard to get rid of that stink.
It is?
Back then, my dad said to rub dirt over my whole body to kill the smell, but...
Hey, we've got lots of dirt in our garden. Come on, Molly. Let's unstink before the dance. Great idea. Bye, Mr. Ritook. Thank you.
Anaru, wait! One more thing! The dirt didn't work at all! Oh, dear.
I never washed with dirt before. It feels dirty. I don't think it's working. Nope. Ugh. Maybe we need more? Maybe we need soap. Come on. Trini, hurry up. The dance is gonna start soon. All clean. It's jigging time. Yes! Come on, we'll practice on the way.
Welcome. Anay, come in. Anabasi. Ew.
Dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee-dee. Hi, Oscar. Sorry we smelled bad before. We got mink sprayed, but we washed it off. And now we're so ready to jig.
Sorry, but you only think you washed it off.
But I hardly smell it anymore. Me neither. Unless... Oh no, we got used to the smell. We can't even trust our noses.
Well, you can trust mine. Sorry, but I can't let you in.
Wait, I have an idea. We could go online and look up a way to get rid of the smell.
Good idea, but would you mind doing it, like, way over there?
Searching how to clean off mink spray. Fast! Fast! Hey, this looks good. Greatest cleaning expert of all time. He says #1 solution for mink smell. Tomato juice. Ooh! Where can we get some? Maurice probably has some at the co-op. Come on! Hi, Maurice! We came to...
Wow, wait! Please do not bring that foul smell inside.
But we need...
Tomato juice for your mink stink. Hold on.
Wow, he's good.
You can pay me when you smell better.
Basit. Thanks, Maurice.
You're welcome.
Okay, here goes. Do I still smell? Trini, we don't drink the tomato juice. We wash with it. Oh! This is gonna get sloppy. I feel like spaghetti. It's starting! Come on! Grandpa!
Whoa! I recognize that smell. You got sprayed by a mink, and you tried to wash it off with tomato juice. And, yep, didn't work.
It didn't?
Nope.
Oh no! But Grandpa, we went online to the greatest cleaning expert of all time, and he says tomato juice is the #1 solution.
Let's see. Greatest cleaning expert of all time? Sheesh. He says you can get rid of permanent marker by whistling really loud. Ridiculous.
So he's not an expert?
You can't believe everything you read, Molly. Not everyone who says they're an expert really is. It's best to get information from a source you trust.
Well, I trust you.
And I trust Tooey's dad. When Kenji's dogs get minky, he soaks them in a tub of baking soda, dish soap, and hydrogen peroxide.
Baking soda, dish soap, hydrogen peroxide.
Always works. Get some at the co-op and put it on my account.
Basit, Grandpa. Wait, how come the smell doesn't bother you?
I'm used to bad smells. Volcanoes smell even worse than minks. I'll see you both later, after your bath.
Bye, Grandpa. Oh, they're jigging without me. Come on, Molly. Back to the co-op. Closed. Gone jigging. Of course. So, I guess we won't be jigging tonight. I guess not. Sorry, Trini. We tried.
Hey, aren't you coming to the... Whoa, mink stink and tomato juice?
We got sprayed.
You sure did. Well, the best thing is to soak in a bath of...
Baking soda, dish soap, and hydrogen peroxide.
Stink dip. Dad always keeps the ingredients at the kennel in case the dogs get minked.
Really?
Sure. Want to get dipped?
Yes! Let's go! How long do we stay in?
It's 10 minutes for dogs, but less for you guys. You have less fur.
There's clean shirts for when you're stink-free.
Thanks.
See you at the dance.
Getting in on 3. 1, 2, 3! Come on, we can still make the dance.
Hey, you made it!
Do we smell okay, Grandpa?
Like fresh, clean sled dogs.
All right! Woo!
Care to jig, ladies?
Yeah!
Oh, ho, ho, yeah!
Where's it coming from? Hey, it's not us. Yeah, Weenie stinked. Suki! Told you she'd be back by dinner time.
Pew! Good thing we got that tub full of stink dip.
Come on, let's go scrub this pup. So, Treaty, how do you like your first jig dance? Well, it was short, but fun. Like me! No sudden movements.